Have you been searching for the perfect pickup truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 HD SLE in Summit White. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, CORNERSTEP rear bumper, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 6.6-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number D7560.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.